Alright, we're going to go ahead and take this long. We're going in light sweet crude, 10 contracts. Each tick here is $10. But we're in 10 contracts, so the $10 per contract times the 10 contracts, that's what we get 100 per tick here. We're using NinjaTrader here. We got our stop protection at the top, our stop protection at the bottom here in red, and our top bracket, which is set up automatically. And the green is our limit order for profit. So it's really kind of autopilot-y once you get this thing going, and you execute the trades, and you might have to manipulate the loss and or the profit target, the stop or the profit target, and our traders will help you with that. And we trade from 3 a.m. to 12 noon Eastern Standard every day. As you can see, I'm using trend line analysis, support resistance, horizontal support resistance. Going for $1,000. Let's see. I'm going to analyze this a little closer here. Going for $1,000 profit target here, as we have our profit target set at 10 ticks from our entry. Move our stop into break even here. Let's just hold off on that real quick here. And I'm looking for the pullback to come down to our support line, which it just did. Now I'm looking for a bounce up. Looking for the bounce up off our trend line. Should get the bounce here. It's a nice long red candle. Now we're off of a second horizontal support. So we have two supports it's going through. We should see the bounce here. Okay, we're getting our bounce. And because it went through two supports, because the trend line is a support, and so is the horizontal, and because it's two, we should see a pretty violent bounce here. Just aren't seeing it yet. We should see a volume spike with some bounce right here. Here we go. We're getting it. Here it is. We should break the top level of this red candle. Got one more tick. Boom. There it is. Even yeah, look, we even got a two extra ticks of slippage, so we're up 1,200 on that. So yeah, that was a nice pop. Nice pop. Now we're coming up on some support lines. Some resistance lines. Same situation though. If you notice, it's the same situation as the bottom. So this makes for fertile ground right here. Boom. We're in short. Again, 10 contracts. Light sweet crude. Okay, we got hammered on that one. All right, we took a loss on that. We're still up 300 though. Remember, trading is a probability. So this signal's still good though. Just the way the cards fell. So we're in again on this thing. And because the probability is telling me right now this market is coming down. Now, we got stopped out of the last trade. It doesn't mean the probability is wrong. It just means the market gyration decided it wanted to stop us out with our stop, with a pretty tight stop. So that's okay. That does happen, and you have to be prepared to enter again once the signal maintains its integrity. So that's why we are where we are right now. Going for an 8-tick profit target here, which is $800 on 10 contracts. You can see we're just playing this channel right here. All we're doing is playing the channel. Nice reversals. And you just keep taking them as long as the signals are there. See, this one seems to is working out pretty nice. So you can't get all frustrated with a stop out, you know, it's all part of trading. Now I can tell you what we don't want to see here. We don't want to see a green candle up. That would be not good. But we got a doji kind of thing working right here. It's still kind of flailing around the resistance line. And we had a red candle, so that's nice. And we got a nice red candle here. That's nice. We are hitting around these support resistance lines here, so we got to keep a careful eye on that. Okay, let's see here. Again, we should get a pop down here because we have two major supports, resistances that we're looking at. Oh, there it is. Boom, done. All right, well, we did it. Hit 1100 on that. So for the day, what do we have? 2 winners and a stop, and that pretty much wraps it up. So we will see everybody tomorrow. Okay.